In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete all Discord messages at once. So in case you've got a few messages in your Discord chat, in your server, and you want to delete all of them, and this is how you do it. So one of the ways is to hold down Shift, and then as you can see, a delete icon will appear next to your message, and you can just hold down Shift and delete all of the messages in here. But this method, when you're deleting each and every single message, is very time consuming and is not very handy to use. Now mind you, you can only delete messages that you have written in, or if you have sufficient permissions from the channel owner, or in case you are the channel owner, you can also delete messages from other people. But there's a way by which you can simply erase all the messages in a simple channel. So in case I spam a few numbers in here, you'll see that it's going to get all erased. All you want to do is go to the channel. There we go, this one over here, so it's called extra. You want to right click on it and click on duplicate channel. You want to give it the exact same name. There we go, and click on create channel. Now the new channel has been created, and then what you want to do is go to the previous channel and simply delete this channel and confirm delete channel, and then you are going to move it to where it was before. And if we go into extra, as you can see, the channel is now completely the same, but there's no messages in there. And this is exactly how you delete all Discord messages at once. Now if this video helped you out, make sure to subscribe to the channel.